It's raining way too hard out here. I need to go to the hatchery and see if Michael's doing okay. Alright, just be back. Like I said, there's some weird dinosaurs out there. Will do. Ah, shoot. I fell off my bike or whatever. I think my leg is broken. What was that? Phew. Oh, that scared me. Alright, now to the hatchery. I'm here at the hatchery. Maybe everything here didn't go any different talk. What I meant to say is, maybe things didn't go wrong here. Michael, what are you doing? Packing up. Some vandals came over here and released the baby Red Rex. And when that thing grows up, we're gonna have a genetically modified T-Rex on the loose. I don't think that thing's gonna be. The Red Rex is humongous. So why are you leaving? Because you know exactly where it's gonna go as soon as it's fully grown. It's gonna come back here. Get revenge on me. Don't know why. Probably will. But we treat the animals with respect. Maybe he'll trust you. Yeah, sure. Just because I treat my animals with respect doesn't mean anything. What do you think a T-Rex is gonna do when they see a fully... What am I saying? I don't even know. Hey, it's okay to be sad. You love those dinosaurs. Yeah. It's hard to let go. Sorry, man.